Yangling, an agricultural high-tech industrial demonstration zone in northwest China's Shaanxi province, has been improving crop yield at home and aboard. Located about 80 kilometers to the west of Shaanxi's capital Xi'an, Yangling has cultivated a number of new high-quality and high-yielding wheat and corn varieties.
培育品种的话，我们就育种目标有这个氮高效、磷高效、抗旱的、节水的品种在不断的出来。粮食从产量、从质量提高方面，都比过去有了很大的进步。
Up to now, new varieties of wheat and corn cultivated in Yangling have been planted in a land area of more than 850 million mu across the country, increasing grain production by about 21.5 billion kilograms. It helps ensure the country's food security and rural revitalization. Yangling has also witnessed deepening agricultural cooperation under the Shanghai Cooperation Organization framework over recent years. Many new varieties of wheat have been planted in jointly built modern agricultural demonstration zones in countries such as Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan.